Good morning everybody, it's Angela and David from Wyllie's Travel Adventures.
Morning, good afternoon, good evening.
We've just come down to Ullswater just for a couple hours just to get some footage with the drone. So we've taken it up once, reasonably successful apart from one bit where I've got legs in it, so I'll have to chop that bit out. But look how beautiful the lakes are today, everybody.
Looking good.
Looking good today, looking good. So we might mosey on to Glenridding, see if we can park up and get a footage from the grass there. So we'll see you all when we get to Glenridding. Well, this is the life, sitting at Ullswater.
Looking out onto the lake.
Looking out onto the lake. Beautiful sunny day. So peaceful. Not the same as the sea, but it's the next best thing. Not down for long today because got the school run later. But isn't this beautiful, everybody? Taking some drone footage as well. I'm not brave enough to go too far yet with it.
That'll come though.
It'll come, yeah. I don't mind going high up, it's just the going out over the water bit that I'm not too sure about, but it will come the more I get used to it. Should have got one years ago really, but as usual, hummed and hard, but finally we got one. So we're just going to have a wander across to the boat, see what times they leave, and then go somewhere else after that. See you all later, guys.